We are a 5-star farm equipment hauling company. Heavy Equipment Shipper is a field-proof and certified farm equipment hauling company in the U.S. If you tried searching online for farm equipment hauling near me, chances are you came across a lot of options to choose from. We can help you narrow down the choices and make your decision an easy one. We specialize in providing farm equipment transport services. We are experts at transporting agricultural equipment and shipping tractors, loaders, backhoes, planters, sprayers, harvesters, fertilizers, seeders, and other farm equipment in the United States. We are the leaders in the farm equipment transport service. Call us at 1-877-880-5991 for a free quote and visit our website at www.heavyequipmentshipper.com.